The Meghalaya SSA School Association convened its second general meeting at the Students' Field Jaiaw, Shillong, where three major resolutions were passed concerning the welfare of the state's SSA teaching community. Addressing the media after the meeting, MSSSA President Aristotle Rambai announced that the association has decided to suspend all protest actions against the state government, opting to instead pursue dialogue. One of the key resolutions was to urge upon the government to exempt teachers who joined before July 1st, 2020 from appearing from the Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test or MTET. Additionally, the association resolved to call for the formation of an empowered committee comprising representatives from key state government departments as well as members of the association. The proposed committee aims to facilitate further discussions on issues affecting SSA teachers in the state.
And on that meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister have assured us that he will call a meeting for further discussion regarding the grievances of the SSA teachers. At that meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister also informed the association that the government is committed and is very positive as far as SSA teachers issue is concerned. And on that meeting, we, the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, have requested the Honorable Chief Minister to also invite our SSA teachers' friends, those who are in other association, to be there in that meeting, which he informed us that he will call for further discussion. And the Honorable Chief Minister also informed us that he will also include the 4th Teachers Association to be present on that meeting. In today's meeting, actually it is the second general meeting which we, the Meghalaya SSA School Association, we have organized today. After the government have invited us for a talk on the 18th of November 2024 and on the 4th of December 2024. So today we have taken 3 decisions. Number 1 is unanimously we have decided that we will withdraw the protests which we are going to organize, and we will continue the discussion with the government. Number 2, we have decided that we will suggest and request the government to exempt all those SSA teachers who have joined on or before 1st July 2020 to clear the MTET exam. Why we have taken this decision? Because as per the notification issued by the state government on 1st July 2020, in this notification it is clearly stated that from this date onwards MTET is mandatory in the state of Meghalaya. So today we have decided unanimously that the government should consider all the SSA teachers who have joined on or before 1st July 2022 to accept them from clearing MTET exam. Number 3, we have decided today that the government should constitute an empowered committee for further discussion on this issue of the SSA teachers and also to come up with a policy pertaining to job security of the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. And the member of this empowered committee should be from the law department, personnel department, finance department, planning department, education department, and also the members from the association. So that is the 3 decisions which we have taken in today's meeting.